Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS Step Functions to orchestrate background tasks. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Step Functions service. Click on the Create State Machine button. Choose the standard workflow option for general use cases. In the definition section, select Write your workflow in code. Use Amazon States language to describe your workflow. Define each state, starting with the initial state. For background tasks, integrate AWS Lambda functions. In the state definition, specify the type as task. Provide the ARN for your Lambda function in the resource field. Set the next state to transition after the task completes. Define error handling by using catch and retry settings in your state. Add additional states as needed to complete the workflow. Once your state machine is defined, review the configuration. Click on the Create State Machine button to save your settings. After creation, navigate to the Start Execution section. Input the JSON input required for your workflow. Click on Start Execution to run your state machine. Monitor the execution progress through the AWS Step Functions console. Check the execution history for detailed logs and status updates. Make adjustments to your state machine as necessary based on performance. Utilize CloudWatch to set up alerts for failures and performance metrics. Regularly test and optimize your states to improve efficiency. Document your workflow for future reference and team collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.